Hi everyone, I'm Will and welcome back to our channel. Cars are an essential part of our daily lives, but how much do we really know about them? Here are 10 facts you may not have known about cars. Let's get started. Fact number 1. The first gasoline-powered car. The first gasoline-powered car was invented by Carl Benz in 1886. It was called the Benz Patent Motor Wagon. The three-wheeled vehicle was powered by a single-cylinder gasoline engine and was the first vehicle to be powered by an internal combustion engine. The motor wagon is considered a significant milestone in the development of the automobile, as it was the first practical demonstration of such a vehicle. Fact number 2. The first electric car. Electric cars have been around since the 19th century. The first electric car was built around 1832 by a Scottish inventor named Robert Anderson. The car was powered by non-rechargeable primary cells, batteries, and was used for short-distance travel. It was not a practical vehicle for everyday use. Fact number 3. The fastest production car. The fastest production car in the world is the Bugatti Chiron Supersport 300 Plus with a top speed of 304 miles per hour or 490 kilometers per hour. This car is produced by the French luxury car manufacturer Bugatti and is a limited edition, with only 30 units produced. It is powered by an 8.0-liter W16 engine that produces 1,577 horsepower. The Chiron Supersport 300 Plus broke the previous record set by the Bugatti Veyron Supersport, which had a top speed of 267 miles per hour or 431 kilometers per hour. Fact number 4. Number of car parts. Car parts are the various components that make up a vehicle and allow it to function. An average car contains over 30,000 parts. Each component plays a crucial role in the overall functioning of the vehicle. Fact number 5. The first car accident. The first recorded car accident occurred on August 31, 1869 in Ohio, USA, when Mary Ward, a British scientist and amateur botanist, was riding in an early steam-powered vehicle and was thrown out of the vehicle, resulting in her death. The vehicle was built by her cousin, the steam car pioneer, William George Ward. Fact number 6. The first affordable car. The Ford Model T was an automobile produced by Ford Motor Company from 1908 to 1927. It was the first car to be affordable for the middle class and was considered a major innovation in the automobile industry. The Model T was available in multiple body styles and was powered by a 4-cylinder engine with a top speed of around 40 to 45 miles per hour or 64 to 72 kilometers per hour. Fact number 7. The first car with AC. The first car to have factory-installed air conditioning was the 1939 Packard. This luxury vehicle was equipped with an air conditioning unit called the weather conditioner. The unit was developed by the Packard Motor Car Company and the Frigidaire division of General Motors. Fact number 8. The first built-in navigation system. 1990 Mazda Cosmo was the first car to feature a built-in GPS navigation system. This system was called the UNOS Navi. The system featured a color screen and it was able to calculate routes based on the car's current location and destination. Fact number 9. The first hybrid car. The first hybrid car was the Lohner Porsche Mixed Hybrid, which was built by the Austrian inventor and car designer Ferdinand Porsche in 1900. The car used a gasoline engine to power an electric generator, which in turn powered electric motors in the front wheels. This design allowed the car to be powered by both gasoline and electricity, making it a hybrid vehicle. The car was able to run on electricity alone for short distances, and the gasoline engine could be engaged for longer trips. Fact number 10. The first speed limit. The first speed limit laws were introduced in the United Kingdom in 1861, setting a speed limit of 2 miles per hour or 3.2 kilometers per hour in towns and 4 miles per hour or 6.4 kilometers per hour in the countryside. The law was established in response to the increasing number of accidents caused by the rapidly growing number of vehicles on the roads at the time. We hope you learned something new about cars today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time.